Welcome designers. In this video I'm going to talk about Remove.bg, the app online where you can remove the background of your images. I come to you to tell you about this because of the graduation stole designing that we're going to do this week here on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. But I want to give you some tools and show you apps that we're going to use if you want to use them, like prepare your images so that it will be easier for you to use them in Silhouette Studio, especially if you can't if you don't know how to remove background in there. You can come over here and remove your background in here so that it can make life easier for you and designing easier for you. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, you upload your image. You upload, you click on here, it will go into your computer. Let me find go into your computer and you can download let's say come on, man, let me go here. Let's say we want to use this sneaker image on our graduation store. Let's say you have an image of your graduate. You can remove the background in here. Okay, you come in here, you open it, it will remove the background for you, and then you download it into your computer. Okay, I mean, use tools that can help you to speeden up your design process in Silhouette Studio or wherever you design. If you can use the remove background tool in Photoshop, it's easy for you, you can do it there. But if you have trouble doing it in Silhouette Studio, you can come over here and do it here. Okay, and you can prepare your images. So if you have images that you want to design a graduation stole with, come in here, remove the background, and download them into your computer, and then open them in Silhouette Studio. I have a video where I show you how the system will auto trace your image for you if it has a transparent background. That is in Silhouette Studio. I show you how the system can trace your image for you if it has a transparent background, so you don't have to go over the tracing thing. So if you remove a background in here and you open it in there and you do what I show you, you will have any problems. Everything will be fine. You will be able to design decorate your graduation store template easily. So this is one of the things that I want to show you. One of the things that you need to do if you want to participate in the graduation stole designing this coming week that I will have on YouTube. Start doing this. The images that you want to use, come to Remove.bg, remove the backgrounds and download them into your computer, and watch the other video where you can set up your Silhouette Studio so that when you open those same images that you remove the background from, when you open them in there, you don't have to trace them and all those things anymore. They will already be traced for you right in there. Thank you so much for watching, and be on the lookout for the video. And I invite you to be present with me on Monday, March 20th, 6 p.m. Central Time on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, to come and learn how to decorate your graduation store. Thank you for watching.